I got a free mouse. Great. Is it wireless? After I got this one, this is probably the last time I use wireless mouse. Like, I will not buy a wireless mouse anymore. I'd rather stay with USB mouse. Like, no one in the description it doesn't say it had battery in it. I was expecting it's like a charger or something. It's the chargeable one, no battery, so you have to charge it maybe, or like you suck up the electric from your computer instead to make it. Yeah, when I thought of mouse wireless is either chargeable or they suck up the electric from your computer. Computer have electric on it. They can automatically charge. Like for example, phone. Like this phone, this. The other side, you can plug in the USB on your computer, so I was expecting the same as the mouse. It will charge automatically while you're using it. I mean, it have this, so I think it can suck up. It can suck up through this, using this. It doesn't need dang battery, but like, yeah, I guess not. But it's cute, Todd. I think it's good for traveling. It's cute. It's cute. It's if I travel, yeah, this would be good. I'm modeling, yes, maybe yes, yes. We waiting for a game. Come on, come on. Let me play you. We gonna play you. We gonna play you. Let me flex my keyboard. Can I flex my keyboard? Let me show you my keyboard. 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 Yes. Welcome. The most worst keyboard ever. It lasts longer, okay? I'm a hardcore pressing button, okay? Gaming keyboard is separated. Imagine this. It's like, it's not this close. It's like far away from each other. Like, it gonna break when I press it, obviously. Yeah, my lipstick. I put it near me. It's easy for me to grab it and just like swoosh. Swoosh. Obviously, I blur out the brand. If you knew a computer a lot, you would know what brand this is. But I blur it out. Guessed it. I dare you to guess it. Germs. Germs. Let's do it now. My freaking PC is like... The game is not even open. G-Line keyboard brand. I've been using it for 5 years now, so yeah. Phone is charging, so I have to do it with this angle. Wet wipes. Welcome to Diamond Keyboard Cleaning. Hi, YouTube, what's up? Say hi, Chad. Let's see if it's gonna look brand new if I wipe it. Does it look brand new? Does it look the same to me? Brand new spanking spanking keyboard. If I buy a tissue. What's wrong with buying tissue? Am I done now? Is it clean now? How many more do I need to clean? Same if I must. Be aggressive. No way. SMR, baby. SMR. SMR. I'm waiting for the game to be on. Is the game on already? Dang you! Back to cleaning, okay. Sub to my YouTube. We cleaning keyboard. Oh yeah, it's a good keyboard, but it doesn't have window option. And home option doesn't work. Sad. If I'm stuck in a game and I don't want to get out of the game and the game cannot be leaving it when I press the X, so I think window will be good, but I have home option instead. Do you sleep your computer or shut it down when you get off? I shut it down. Save up. Yes, this means sponsored by Wix. It's good if you have sucky nose. Yeah, why not? This is my sponsor. Like heck. Yes, give the promo. Yeah, why not? Like it's good for you have sucky nose. Yeah, why not? Sub to my YouTube. I don't know, like a stuck nose. Is that it? Can you tell the differences? I feel like there's nothing. It's still the same. I think I have to do this when I'm like not using the computer, because the wires all over the place, obviously. Goes cooking and cleaning, me cleaning my keyboard. This require expert, you know. You think it's easy? What is this? It's open. Capture. Huh? Looks like I accidentally pressed that. Yes, this requires skill to clean keyboard. Okay, for the freaking goals. Oh yeah, cooking is hard. Yeah, like you know, this requires experience. Okay, it's not easy. Look, it still look dirty. The keyboard is born to be dirty. Yeah. Let me see if the game doesn't want me to play. Great. The game doesn't want me to play it. When you hold me, I wish let's see what happened to my wipes. Still the same? Nothing. Still the same? Nothing. Nothing. I don't know why people are chasing after toilet paper. Chase after web wipes. Cause like you be using this more. What the heck is this? Prince cream. Why yes, yeah, never mind. This is an old keyboard. What do you expect I ask you guys when you guys are gaming? This is an office keyboard. I'm asking you guys. Does it look brand new? Still same. Okay, but now where is it? Again! Dummy! Yeah! I'm gone. I'm gone. The way of web wipes. You think web wipes is not just for babies, okay? You can use it. You can use it. It's not for babies. You can use it to clean dust. You can use it to clean ashes. You can use it to clean anything. I don't know why people think web wipe is for cleaning babies. No. No. It clean keyboard too. Multitasking, baby. You can clean dust. You can clean keyboard. You can clean monitor. Look at that. Wait, it's not reachable. This dust. Yes, in the monitor. Wait, how do you reach that? I just noticed the freaking. Yeah, look at that. How do you clean that? Oh, it's in there. It's in there. It's in there. The way. The meat is in there. This is why I don't care about how do I say this? Cleaning that much of my PC. If it works, I'm okay with it. All I care is works. My PC works for a few years now. We good. See? Yes, this is baby wipes, okay? It's not for baby bumps. It's for me cleaning my dang monitor, yes. What am I even doing? I'm shaking avoid that. And I will not recommend that. I don't think it's fit in here. Look, it doesn't fit to clean that. Let me see. Does it no. It doesn't fit, no. Like heck it fit. I think you need something pointier and like you say an egg can. It doesn't fit, no. It doesn't fit. This thing is too thick. Yeah, sponsorship today, Vicks. If you have sucky nose, use this. I will see you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye. It's been fun. Thank you for watching me cleaning keyboard. Yes, Vicks. Good for your nose. Good for your health. You will live forever. Yeah, sponsor me. YouTuber want to get gaming sponsor. Oh, I'm sponsoring for this.